YouTube channel. In continuation to RM Public School Recruitment 2023, what I have found from this notification, I am just going to share with you certain almost 4 to 5 points generally I have found. Okay, first point that talks about lifetime validity of the CSB card. It means once you clear the exam with 50% as a fresher, then your scorecard will be valid for life. Actually, what happens till last year, okay, once you clear the exam of this CSB, then your card will be valid for 3 years, 3 consecutive years. Okay, but this time it's a great opportunity. You can say golden opportunity for all of us. If you clear the exam for one time, then it will be valid for life. Okay, this is the first point. And next point I'm talking about, that is qualification. Okay, if you wish to be a PRT or TGT PGT, then obviously you have to have 50%. Okay, both graduation, I mean TGT PGT graduation 50% and PGT post graduation 50%. Side by side for TGT and PGT, B.Ed is mandatory, and for PRT, B.Ed or DLED or BLED. Okay, then come to the third point. Just I'm talking about age requirement. Okay, age criteria. If you are a fresher having no teaching experience, then below 40, and if you are a teacher having 5 years of teaching experience, then it is below 57. Then the next point, that is, you know that 100 total 136 APS are in public schools are there, and they come under 35 clusters. Okay, under one cluster there are lot of schools. For example, this one. Okay, cluster number 18. Under this cluster number 18, here are how many schools? 7 schools are there. And you know that after clearing your exam, whenever notification would be there, I mean vacancy would be there, so you have to look at each and every cluster. Suppose cluster number 18, okay, it will take an interview for all these 7 schools, okay, at a single time. If you think of cluster number 19, okay, and under cluster number 19 there are how many schools? 8 schools. So one interview will be conducted for both of these 8 schools. Okay, so these are the clusters and the concerned schools. Then the next one, the list of subjects. Okay, list of subjects. You can see that for humanities stream you have 12 subjects. You can take a screenshot of it. And for science stream, from science stream, 11 subjects like physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics, computer science, informatics, practice, biotechnology, psychology, physical education, fine arts and economics. And from commerce stream you have these 6 subjects like economics, mathematics, accountancy, business studies, computer science, informatics practices. Okay, these are for PGT level I talked of. Now next one is, yes, next one, that is the main one. Okay, how to prepare yourself for this exam, and how many marks are there, how many questions are there, what is the time of the exam. Okay, is it negative marking is there or not, and the exact blueprint of the question paper. So this in this slide you can have this very concept carefully and clearly also. You can see that this is of PRT, right? PRT total question is 200, and marks also 200. Each question carries a 1 mark, and time is 3 hours, 180 minutes. Okay, 180 minutes and 200 a question, almost 1 minute you can get for each and every questions. Now 200 marks. Okay, 200 marks are divided into these 2 parts. First of all, first section and second section, section A and section B, that is general paper. You can say part 1, paper 1, that is of 30 marks. And next section, section C, that is your concerned subject, it is of 170. So don't get afraid of qualifying these 35. Most of you are having the problems with this part 1, but you can get excelled in your part 2 in your concern subject. 170 I'm talking about. Okay, now one by one let me tell you that in section A you have section A 10 questions, section B 20 questions, and section C 170 questions. So these 10 questions, okay, it is also divided into 3 parts. First one, national level current affairs, 4 questions. Then international events, 2 questions, and global level, 4 questions. Sorry, 4 and 2, that is, you can see 4, then 4 and 2, total 10, right? Then section B 20 marks. Okay, 20 question, 20 marks. So here it is pedagogy of a foundational and preparatory stage, 8 questions, 8 marks. Child psychology and inclusive foundation education, it is 4 marks. And RTE NEP 2022 20 NCF 2005, it is of 8 marks. So in total 10 plus 20. Now remaining 170 for PRT. You have science 50 questions, social studies 40 questions, mathematics 40, English 20, Hindi 20. Okay, likewise for PGT and TGT, okay, section A and section B almost same, not almost, exactly the same one. Look at this one, section A and section B 30 marks, I mean 10 plus 20, and section C 170. This is TGT level I am talking about. So the same pattern, 4 plus 4 plus 2, 8 plus 4 plus 8, and here it is out of 170. Here your book especially 6 to 10 NCERT. Okay, it is 70 question, that is your basic subject knowledge based on 6 to 8. Then moderate 40 questions, higher level 40, and proficient level of subject knowledge 9 10. Okay, that is your 20 marks. Then the last one is, that is your PGT level. You can take a screenshot of it. PGT level, first 2 sections 30 marks, same one, no need to explain. And section C, concerned subject, it is 70, that is basic subject 9 to 11, 12, 40 moderate one 11 to 12, and 20 questions higher subject knowledge based on 11 and 12 NCERT, and the remaining 20 marks, that is a proficient level of subject knowledge based on 11 and 12 standard NCERT books. And last point I must tell, that is your exam center. Okay, you have how many exam center? You have 65 exam centers. You can see starting with Pune, ending with Gangtok. So you have to check your exam center, then you have to opt for exam center. Thank you.